Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're sharing 6 fast and natural methods to whiten your teeth. Let's get started. Method 1. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide to create a paste. Brush your teeth with this mixture for 2 minutes. This combo acts as a natural bleaching agent, helping to remove stains and whiten your teeth quickly. Use 1 to 2 times a week. Method 2. Oil pulling with coconut oil. Take a tablespoon of coconut oil and swish it around in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes. This ancient practice not only removes bacteria, but also helps reduce plaque and whiten your teeth naturally. Do this daily. Method 3. Apple cider vinegar. Dilute 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water and use it as a mouthwash. Gargle for about 1 minute before brushing your teeth. The acidic nature of vinegar can help remove stains, but use it sparingly to avoid damaging your enamel. Use 1-2 times a week. Method 4. Activated charcoal. Dip a wet toothbrush into activated charcoal powder and brush your teeth gently for 2 minutes. Activated charcoal is highly absorbent and can help lift stains from your teeth. Use 1-2 times a week. Method 5. Strawberries and baking soda. Mash 1 ripe strawberry and mix it with half a teaspoon of baking soda. Apply the mixture to your teeth and leave it on for 5 minutes before brushing. The malic acid in strawberries helps break down stains, while baking soda provides a gentle abrasive action. Use once a week. Method 6. Whitening toothpaste with fluoride. Using a toothpaste specifically designed for whitening that contains fluoride can help remove surface stains and strengthen your enamel. Brush at least twice a day for the best results. Use daily. And there you have it, 6 fast and natural methods to whiten your teeth. Try these tips and let us know which one works best for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health and beauty tips. Subscribe for more health and beauty tips.